So, namaste. Okay. So, today is the 19th day. Thank you, Universe Series, and day 2 of 7 days of manifestation. Right? So, thank you, Universe, as I told you, is upgrading yourself, raising your own vibration. When you raise your vibration, upgrade yourself, you fit the best way wherever you go. Wherever you go, you fit into that situation the best way. That is the best of raising your own vibration. And until unless I am not making myself corrected or not making myself upgrade to my own vibration, I will not able to achieve what I want. So when we are going through that, now this is the day two visualization. Once you have gone through all the series, now you have gone with your intention. The day one of manifestation was you need to decide very clearly what you want in the life. Now when you have decided clearly with intention what you want in the life, then you need to visualize. For that, you need to establish a relationship. The Thank You Universe is establishing a very beautiful relationship with the universe. When you establish the beautiful relationship with the universe, when you rightly demand to the universe, I need this, universe provide all the situations to you to get that things which you want in the life. So when you go for this visualization, once you decided, the day one was decide what you want in the life. Life. Now, if you, for example, if I have you have gone in the intention sheet somewhere in 17, 18 days. Suppose you need a house, you need to complete visualize which type of house, how much square feet, which color should be your drawing room, which color should be your bedroom, which furniture will be there, which color. The more detail you visualize with intention, the better, the faster is the manifestation. Because when you really visualize and you see by closing your eyes all the pictures what you want, then that you are commanding the universe to give you that. That is a simple formula. I already told sometime everything happens in this universe happens twice. Once in mind, your imagination. Second is materialization. Anything, even you are abusing someone, appraising, everything first happens in your mind, then you materialize it. That means whatever is happening around you, it has happened once in the mind. If you know that whatever in your mind is happening, materializing outside, then why not do the good things? Why not the good things? Why can't we visualize the good things in our life? Why can't we think good things in our life? Why can't we speak good talks to the people? Why can't we go the good way for the life? So everything you do good, the first happens in your mind, then second you materialize. These all 18, 19 days, the exercise was only to do yourself good, yourself good, yourself good, think good, do good, everything good, good, good. When it happens once in your mind, cycle time is happening materialization. Thank you very much.